this is Sujata. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss types of sentences. So before that we need to learn what is sentence. A sentence is a group of words and a sentence is the largest unit of any language.
Start.
In English, sentence must have three characteristics. What are the three characteristics here? Firstly, in written form, in English, a sentence starts with a capital letter. A sentence starts with a capital letter and it ends with the sentence ends with a period. A period means what? It ends with a full stop, question mark, exclamatory columns. Second one is, so I told that three characteristics follow. No, first one is it starts with the capital letters and ends with the period. Period means it ends with the full stop, question mark or exclamatory mark. Second one is it must expresses a complete thought. A sentence must express a complete thought, not fragmented. It expresses a complete thought, not fragmented. And third one is a sentence must have at least one subject. A sentence must have at least one subject.
Start.
I hope you understand the characteristics of the sentences. So now let us say sentences are divided into two categories. What are that? Sentences are divided into two. One is structurally. Structurally, and the second one is functional. Sentences are formed structurally and functionally. Now we are going to discuss how sentences are formed functionally. Okay. So functionally, sentences are divided into four types. What are that four types? Declarative sentences. Next, imperative. Next, interrogative. And the last one is exclamatory. Exclamatory sentences. Functionally, sentences are divided into four types. What are that? Declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. So let us see what is a declarative sentence. Declarative sentences means it expresses feeling or describes something or giving the clarity about something. For example, see here, he is a good boy. He is a good boy. He is a good boy. Means here we are given a clarity or a declaration about a boy. He is a good boy. Or it is a beautiful flower. It is a beautiful flower. Next one is I am very happy today. I am very happy today. So one thing, see here, sentence start with the capital letters and end with the full stop. Declarative sentence or any sentences start with the capital letters and end with the punctuation. Some punctuations means a period means it end with the full stop, question mark or interrogation or exclamation mark. So here see I am very happy today. Today it end with the full stop. So here feeling we are expressing here feeling, and here we described about a flower, and here you are given declaration about a boy. Next one is a imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence means request or a command. Imperative sentence means a request or a command. What is request? Please give me your book. Please give me your book. Here we are requesting. Here we are giving requesting. Next, command. Shut the door. Shut the door. Here we are given a command to someone. So this is, here we are giving request, and here we are giving request, and here we are giving command. And the next one is a interrogative sentence. I hope you understand imperative sentence, declarative sentence. Now we are going to discuss interrogative sentence. See here, what is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence end with a question mark. Interrogative sentences end with a question mark. See the example. When are you going to Hyderabad? When are you going to Hyderabad? Here the sentence end with a question mark. Means we are giving interrogative, or we are giving a question to someone. Or do you know him? Do you know him? Do you know him? This is a interrogative. A negative interrogative, how we can make this? Don't you know him? Don't you know him? So this is an interrogative sentence. Now the fourth sentence is exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentence is, this is a note of emotions. What are that emotions? We can express anger, happiness, wonder. Let us see some examples. Alas, I got a first rank. Means this sentence we are ending with exclamation mark. The sentence start with capital letters and end with exclamatory mark. And next one is, wow, what a beautiful flower. Wow, what a beautiful flower. Here we expresses happiness, and here wonder. And next, oh, I got a lucky chance. So these are the exclamatory sentences. In these sentences we are expressing our angriness, happiness, wonder. So, and these sentences start with capital letters and end with exclamatory marks. So I hope you understand the types of sentences. This is the first part of sentences. In further videos I will make how sentences are made structurally. So if you like my video, like it, share it and subscribe it. So if any queries, comment in the comment box. So I want your suggestions and advices. Thank you for watching my channel.